Okay, YouTubers, this is your chance to see how you replace a throttle cable on a, what kind of sled is this?
Skidoo Summit 850 fuckery.
So 2016, I believe, skidoo. 2018, sorry. We got to take the airbox out. It's airbox, not hairbox like the skidoo from Bombardier would say. And this is the airbox right here that we took off, and obviously the can. But when you pull this thing out, there's a couple of fucking zip ties that are pretty hard to see that are actually on the other side here. Hook on to one of these or somewhere over here, maybe further back in. I'm not quite sure. You'll figure it out. And yeah, so that and those two fucking grommets, kind of a bitch to pull out. We used the long flat screwdriver to push them back.
Yeah, literally the worst fucking throttle cable you'll ever do in your life.
And so that gives you access to like the throttle cable that is actually over here. And yeah, obviously we had to take out this fucking unit too here. What's it called?
What's that?
What's it called, that big unit?
Oh, the secondary.
The secondary. Sorry guys, I'm not a big sledder. I'm actually a ski tourer. It's way easier to fix when it breaks. Yeah, so took that thing out by undoing this thing here and then putting this thing in here and giving it a couple of tap with the hammer, and it came right out. So that's, yeah, basically some of the tips. Hope it helps. See you guys later.